Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. And welcome to the Daily 5 Arithmetic series. So let's get started. If the ratio of upstream speed of the boat and the speed of the stream is 6:1 and the boat can cover 52.8 km in downstream in 2 hours 12 minutes, then how much distance it can cover in upstream 42 minutes. Okay. So here I have written the downstream speed of the boat and speed of the stream, speed of the boat in still water, and this is the speed of the stream, and this is the upstream speed of the boat. Okay, since they had given the relation between the boat's upstream speed and the speed of the stream, so I have written here this is the upstream speed 6 unit and this is the stream speed, so that is 1 unit. So and we know that if I if I subtract the speed of the stream from the speed of the boat in still water, we will get the upstream speed. Therefore, if this is 6, this is 1 and this will be 7 units. Okay, and also here this is also 1, here also same. Then since it is a downstream, I am going to add this, that is 7 plus 1, it will be 8 unit. Okay, then they had given that the boat can cover 52.8 km in downstream. Okay, that is 52.8 km will be traveled with a speed of 8 unit, and that will be equal to 2 hour 12 minutes. Okay, and I have written the 2 hour 12 minutes in the hour format, that is so 2 into 1 by 5, and after simplifying this I will get 11 by 5. Okay, so then after cancelling, then we will get u will be equal to 3. Therefore, we know that the distance will be equal to speed into time, and here we know that this time is the 42 minute. Okay, so and I have converted this minute into hour, then I have multiplied 6 here because I wanted to calculate it in the upstream speed. Okay, this 6 is the upstream speed, and we know that this u will be equal to 3. Therefore 6u means 6 into 3, so that will be equal to 12.6 km. So this is what they actually asked in the question. Next, a person travels for 29 hours from A to B, that is the A and B are the 2 points. Okay, and the distance between them will be 960 km. A person travels for 29 hours from A to B, so and he travels 960 km by car and 690 km by bus. Okay, so if the time taken by the bus in 3 hours by the bus is 3 hours more than the time taken by car with their respective part of the journey, then find the speed of the bus. So actually in the question they have given that the person will take a total of 29 hours, and also they had mentioned that the time taken by him while traveling in the bus is 3 more than the time taken by traveling by car. That means if the time taken by him while traveling in the car by car will be t, then the time taken by him while traveling in the bus will be t plus 3, so that will be equal to 29. Okay, then 2t will be equal to 26, t will be equal to 13. So therefore the time taken by the bus will be t plus 3, that will be 16. Okay, then they have asked find the speed of the bus. So speed of the bus will be the distance traveled in the bus, that is 640, divided by this is time, that is 16, that will be give you 40 km per hour. Next question. Rekha bought 20 kg fruits, out of which 65% is apple, while Kiara bought 85 kg fruits, of which 40% are apple. So what quantity of Rekha and Kiara buy together? Okay, so here they have, like here the Rekha has 20 kg and this Kiara, she is having 85 kg of fruits. Okay, in that 65% of the fruit is apple, that is 13, because the 65% fraction value will be 13 by 20, and while cancelling we will get 13. Okay, and here also from the 85 kg, so she is having 40 kg of 40% of 85 is apple. So therefore 40 percentage will be 2 by 5. Okay, then if I multiply it by 85, I will get 34. Therefore they have asked the quantity of the apple they bought together. Means if I add this, I will get 47 kg. Next, Shreya took a loan at simple interest of 6% per annum in the first year, and she increased it by 1.5 percentage every year. If she pays 8190 as interest at the end of the 3 years, what was the loan amount? Okay, initially we don't know what was the loan amount here, so that's why I have written here as X. And also, so initially we don't know what is the amount she is going to take a loan. Okay, that is X. So then first year she pays an interest of 6 by 6 percentage, that is 6 by 100, and later she increased it by 1.5 percentage, means 6 plus 1.5 will be 7.5, but I have written the 7.5 as 75 by 1000. Okay, and into again next year it got increased by 1.5 percentage more, so therefore 7.5 plus 1.5 will be 9. Okay, so that is 9 percentage here, so that will be equal to 8190. So if I simplify this, so finally we will get the value as X is equal to 36400. Then in a 2-digit number, sum of the digits is 13 and half of the number is equal to the sum of the 4 times of the digit at the unit place and twice of the digits at tens place. So then find the number. So here what I do, okay, so let assume that number will be 10a plus b. Okay, then after that in the question they have mentioned that sum of the digits will be 13, means this digit a plus b will be equal to 13. Okay, and also they have mentioned that the half of the number, this is the number, that is 10a plus b by 2 will be equal to 4 times of that unit place, that is 4b, then twice of the tens place, so that will be equal to 2a. Okay, then 10a plus b will be equal to 8b plus 4a. Therefore we will get the a value as 7 and b value as 6, and this is not the fully correct whole number, so this will be the ratio. Okay, so let's substitute the value of a and b in the equation. Okay, here, so I will get what, the 7 plus 6 will be 13, 13 unit will be equal to 13, therefore u will be equal to 1. Okay, and let's check the number then. So here I have written 10 and I have written the value of a here, that is 7 unit, and u will be equal to 1, so I have written 1 here, and plus this b will be 6 unit. Okay, unit will be 1. So after this 10 7s are 70 plus 6, that will be equal to 76. So this is the 2-digit number. Let's get into the next question. A garden is 30 meter long and 10 meter wide. So there is a path of 2 meter wide outside the garden along its sides. If the path is to be constructed with a square marble tile of dimension 40 cm in 40 cm, the number of tiles required to cover the path is. So here we know that, so initially there was a rectangular path, okay, and that was 30 meter along the length and 10 meter wide. So after that they decided to build the garden outside it. Okay, so they extended the 2 meter wide along the length and along the breadth. So that means if I increase it to increase by 2 meters, so by 2 sides it will be expanded to 34 meter, and along the breadth if I increase it, it will become 14. Okay, and we need to find how many square marble are required to cover that path, means this path. Okay, so for that what I have to do is, first I will calculate the area of this, means 34 into 14. Okay, and I subtract this this diagram should be big, but I didn't get space here, so I have written it like this only. So let's assume this is a bigger rectangle and this is the smaller one, and I subtracted this. So then what I get, I will get the outside part only. So that means the area of this rectangle minus the area of the inside rectangle. Okay, then I will get 476 minus 300, and that will be equal to 176. So after this, what I will do is I will divide this area by the area of the square. Okay, so that is 40 into 40, and that will give us the number of squares which is required here to fill. Fine. So after dividing this, I will get 244s are 2 10s are, and 10 4s are 10 4s are. Okay, 411 and 4 10s are. So that will be equal to, finally we will get 1100. Therefore, the number of square marbles which are required to cover that path will be 1100. So, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos like this.